Okay. Now we are in third point. Na? Quality. Qualitative power is increased. Okay, then third quantity of the substances is increased. Okay, when you will do dilution, we know the quantity of the drug material, that particular material, okay, with that mixture or compound will increase. Okay, quality will increase means it medicinal quality will increase. Okay, then the term is generally used in homeopathic scale of potentization of medicine. Okay, the term is generally used in chemistry. Okay, there are two types of scales such as centesimal and decimal scales. There is no such type of scale. Okay, in dilution there will be no scale. Okay, so you can sometimes you can use just your common sense. You can differentiate on things. Okay, so means be careful for this type of things. Okay, sometimes these differences are asked. Okay, so be careful for that, and you can utilize your common sense. Okay. Then already these potencies are given how scales will be. There will be no scaling in the cases of dilution. Okay, so these five differences there. Okay, these five difference. Just remember. Okay, sometimes till now, though I have seen only occasionally one or two times in short note. Okay, differentiate between. Hello. Differentiate between potency and this dilution. Okay, now we will go to next part, schemic representation in centesimal scale. Okay, how it will go. Okay, means how we will do the trituration process. Okay, so preparation of first degree trituration, how will be the first degree of trituration. Okay, 99 grains of sugar of milk, 99 grains of sugar of milk. Okay, 1/3 part is 33 grain, already we know. Okay, 1/3 part will be 33 grain, 1/3 part will be 33 grain. Okay, so put in an unglazed porcelain mortar. Okay, that I have shown when class was going on. Okay, 1 grain of dry medicinal substances is added. Okay, 1 grain. Okay, already you know 65 milligram. Okay, not 0.65 milligram. Okay, then rubbed strongly for 6 minutes with the help of a pestle. Okay, then scrape for 3 minutes with the help of hand-made spatula, or if you will not get, you can use steel spatula also. Okay, then what will happen after scraping properly with the spatula? The scraped material is mixed with the stirred with spatula for 1 minute. Okay, then the process of rubbing and scrubbing and mixing is represented again. Okay, now what we'll do next 33 part. Okay, next 33 part, what was left. Okay, because we have already made 33 into each to 33 each to 33. Okay, that part will be added. Okay, the second third of the sugar of milk is then added, 33 grain. Okay, then again same process will go on. Rubbing for 6 minutes, scrubbing for 3 minutes. Okay, mixing for 1 minute. Okay, then the process of rubbing, scrubbing and mixing is again repeated. Okay, so in second stage. Okay, then from this side. Okay, from this side. Okay, we will just bring the third part. Okay, last third sugar of milk is now added and 33 grain. Okay, rubbing 6 minutes, scrubbing 3 minutes, mixing 1 minute. The process of rubbing, scrubbing and mixing is repeated again. Okay, so the triturated medicinal substances is put in a well-covered glass vial and kept protected from the direct sunlight. I told you earlier also. Okay, everything you will get key direct sunlight should be avoided. Okay, to which the name of the drug and designation of the first potency is marked. Okay, in centesimal already you know you can write like 1 only or 1C also you can write. Okay, so both is correct is 1CH. Okay, 1CH. H stands for Hahnemannian. Okay, Hahnemannian centesimal potency. Okay, so correct way of writing is 1CH. Okay, but some pharmaceutical company only they write 1. Some pharmaceutical company they write 1C. Okay, both are correct. Okay, but most correct is 1CH. Okay, like good pharmaceutical company they always write 1CH, 2CH properly they write. Okay. Then the trituration medicine substance is put in a well-covered glass vial and kept protected from the direct sunlight, in which the name of the drug and designation of the first potency is marked. Okay. Time taken for the whole process is rubbing 6 minutes into 6 minutes, scrubbing 3 into 6 minutes. Okay, then mixing 1 into 6 minutes. Okay, total is 36. minute, okay, 1 hour, 36 minute, 18:06, okay, total 60 minute. Okay, so already we have discussed, this is the calculation. Okay, sometimes if like uh, sometimes in multiple choice question it may be asked, so you can go through it. Okay, like scraping total time how much. Okay, so you can just calculate it, mixing total how many, how much time. Okay, so all these things you can calculate. Okay, now we will go to next part. 50 minims of alcohol and 50 minims of purified water already we have discussed. Okay, 8x is, and this will be prepared. Okay, so already we have discussed how 6x to 8x will be prepared without going to 7x. Okay, this has some different type of philosophies also there. Okay, like some of the homeopaths who are not satisfied with this process. Okay, 6x to 8x, they have given their own 6x to 8x. They have not satisfied with this process. They have given their own philosophy, but that was not survived. Okay, that philosophies were not survived. Okay, then we will go to next part, that is potency. Okay, what is potency definition? Okay, again I will tell, remember it as it is. Okay, potency here means power. Okay, potency or potency means power. Okay, already in general terminology also we use this term potency. Okay, potentia, power in sense of ability, capacity. Okay, then denotes power which is derived from the grades of the medicinal power as developed by the process of dynamization are called as a homeopathic potencies. In different grades, potency means dilution plus energy. Okay, energy how we are giving by succussion or trituration. Okay, then dilution already we are doing with the sugar of milk or alcohol. Okay, so potency means dilution plus, okay, the energy. Okay, so sometimes this comes as a in multiple choice question also. Okay, potency means, okay, dilution plus energy, this plus this plus this, like. Okay, so be careful for that. Okay, next we will see they are the result of series of successive dilution followed by trituration or succussion. In other words, homeopathic potencies are the results of series of successive reduction in the concentration of the basic medicinal substances, whereby each reduction in the concentration of the followed by vigorous agitation. Okay, that is dynamization. Vigorous agitation means heavily you are doing the succussion process or trituration process. Okay, trituration or succussion. Okay, so this is called as a dynamization. Okay, note part is there, always we know note part is something is special. We will see what in note part it is given. Okay, we hear daily how homeopathic medicine and potencies are called mere dilution. Okay, already I told you earlier also in Lancet it was published. Okay, like by the British associations, okay, medical association, ki homeopathy is a witchcraft. Okay, so it is not like now only. Okay, just last year in Australia, it was also a big issue. Then scientific community, they have given proper explanation. Okay, so it happens. Okay, so nowadays you have just seen in Ayurveda and allopathy some issues and discussions are going on. Okay, if you see every day you see news. Okay, you have seen these problems. Okay, so like it happens. Okay, different system of medicine. Okay, so you know there is some problems are always there. Okay, so we hear daily how homeopathic medicines potencies are called more mere dilutions, but uh, they are very opposite. Is that true? Opposing up of natural substances, okay, beginning to lighter and revealing the hidden specific power containing uh, within and brought forth by the rubbing and shaking. Okay, it is given in section 269, sixth edition of Organon. Okay, just you can tell ki the process of trituration or a specific power containing within the any brought forth by rubbing and shaking is given in aphorism number 269. Okay, this you will study later on in fourth year. I think third year and fourth year you will read about this aphorism 269. Okay, then second, simple dilution. For instance, the solutions of a grain of a salt with becomes almost pure water. The grains of the salt with disappears in the dilution with the much water and will never develops into salt medicine, um, which by means of our well prepared dynamization. Okay, dynamization in rest in the most marvelous power. Okay, it is again given in aphorism number 269, sixth edition of Organon. Okay, so just know ki sixth edition of Organon, aphorism number 269. Okay, about the potentization process is given. Okay. Now we will see next part, fluxion potency. Okay, fluxion. Okay, what is the meaning of fluxion? Fluxion is just a here. Fluxion meaning is the change of state. Okay, change of state is called as a fluxion. Okay, anything is changing state, like 3C is changing to 4C. Okay, 3C is solid form, 4C is a liquid form. Okay, this is the fluxion potency. 6x is changing to 8x. Okay, 6x is solid form, 8x is the liquid form. Okay, this is the fluxion potency. So in fluxion potency, both will be an example. Okay, both type of potency will be the example. Okay, 3C to 4C is also example, 6x to 8x is also example. Okay, that is the fluxion potency. It is the special and peculiar process when the 6x potency obtained by trituration turned into 8x potency by succussion without having transition 7x. Okay, so this is jumping potency. 6x to 8x is jumping potency. Okay, fluxion potency is different thing. Okay, flux, you can tell jumping potency is a part of fluxion potency, because fluxion potency we are taking both. Okay, in centesimal scale or also in decimal scale. Okay, 3C to 4C, 6x to 8x, both are changing the state from solid state to liquid state. Okay, so that is called as a fluxion potency. But 6x to 8x is called as a jumping potency because 7x is not there. Okay, that's why it is called as a jumping potency. Then you can tell the jumping potency may be a part of fluxion potency. Okay, so be careful, because fluxion potency and jumping potency both are asked as a short note or like a very short note. Okay, process developed trituration up to 6x. Okay, followed by succussion below 6x. Some substances are not soluble in the alcohol or purified water, generally of the metallic origin, like arsenic album, ferrum metallicum, silver nitrate, etc. Okay, that's why till 6x we have to go for trituration. Then after that, as per Dr. Henneman, after 6x they are so much fine powder that they can be soluble in liquid alcohol or water. Okay, that's why 6x to 8x can be converted into liquid potency. Okay, it is introduced by Henneman. It is notable gift. It is a notable gift to homeopathic pharmacy and to colloidal chemistry. Okay, like this type of changes are there. Okay, so always if examiner will ask why we have to go to 3C, why we have to go to 6x, so you have to just tell ki before that or on that or before that they are not soluble in like water or alcohol. Okay, but after that, okay, it is so much fine powder that they can be soluble in the water or alcohol. Okay, as per Dr. Henneman also you can add. Okay, process 30 ml file. Okay, clean round file is taken. File and cork is mixed with marked the name of the 8x potency. Okay, then one part by a volume of 6x potency is taken. Okay, just it is a schematic diagram what already we have studied. Okay, so just go through it. Okay, this is just a revision. Okay, then 50 parts of the volume of purified water is added. Okay, the mixture is fully dissolved in the gentle shaking. Okay, 50 parts in volume of the strong alcohol is added as per HPI dispensing alcohol. Okay, here they are telling strong alcohol, but we have to go through HPI dispensing alcohol. Okay, the file is corked. The file must have to filled more than 2/3 in any case. Okay, typical 10 downwards strokes are given at X potency is obtained. Okay, so this is the process of preparation of jumping potency. Okay, high fluxion potency. Okay, high fluxion potency. What is high fluxion potencies? Liquid attenuations by hand process can be made up to 1 m potency, but for making higher to higher potencies such as 10 m, 50 m, cm, dm, mm, all these things are Roman letter. Okay, you have to add it. Okay, m you understand what. Okay, then required times, labors, and alcohol is much more. To combat this problem, some great homeopaths have invented machines for the preparing homeopathy and higher potencies. Such higher potencies preparation with the help of machines are known as high flux and potency. Okay, don't confuse. What is high flux and potencies? Just preparation of potencies with the help of machineries is called as a high flux and potencies. Okay, if you have book, you can underline or you can just note it down. Okay, because sometime till now I have not seen any question, but this may be the next new question, because always in question paper 20 to 40% questions are new questions and 60% questions are old questions from question papers. Okay, you have experienced these things in your 10th and 12th board exams also. Okay, then we will go to next part. In this process, purified water is used as a vehicle instead of alcohol for the intermediate step. Okay, the homeopaths who are the favor of higher and highest potencies in Hahnemann or post Hahnemannian age are like Equerry, Chinnican of Wismar, John Ernest Staff, then other are Carl von Wonninghausen, then Staff is there, then Nash is there, J.T. Kent are there. So these are the just follower or like they are the persons who have supported. Okay, all fluxons potencies are objectionable because doing away with Hahnemannian procedure, they tends to cause a departure from the homeopathic method and also becomes few. If any correspondence to the Hahnemannian scale is, it has been demonstrated that the so-called materia medica materia medica potencies of Swan equal about the 10th centesimal potencies of Hahnemann. Okay, so just read this. Okay, now in at first year level, not so much important. Okay, but know this. Okay, like Hahnemannian method is only those methods which are totally followed as per what Dr. Hahnemann has done. Okay, this is also called as a classical homeopathy. Okay, it is also called as a classical homeopathy. Okay, so today we will see till here. Okay, no, we will go to one more part. Okay, this state potencies we can do. Conversion of trituration into liquid potencies. Okay, this is called state potency, jumping potency, and fluxon potencies. Okay, these are three types. Okay, so you can add in fluxon potency, state potency, and jumping potencies are two potencies inside like this. Okay, like you can take an example. In India, there is two states you can tell. Okay, like the you can tell Karnataka is there, Kerala is there. Okay, so like that. So you can tell in fluxon potency there is two type of potency: fluxon state potency and jumping potency. State potency is 3C to 4C is state potency. Okay, but 6x to 8x is jumping potency. It is jumping. Okay, jumping potency. Okay, but here some problems are there in state potency because 7x is not there. Okay, but some of like homeopaths or who are the followers of Dr. Hahnemann, but they have some new ideas. Okay, they try to say that there is 7x potency. Okay, so we will discuss this 7x potency later on. Okay, ki why it is possible or why it is not possible, this 7x potency. Okay, so till here you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, anything? Nobody has any issue? Neha, Disha,
No, sir.
okay, Rajneesh, Lucky, no, it's okay, na?
Yes, sir, it's okay.
Okay.